This is Deal Level Crossing.
Right, welcome back to the crossing, but with some unusual circumstances. The road is shut, which means I can film from the middle of the road.
Hi guys, we're at Deal Level Crossing in Kent.
Right, the time is 15:30.
On Tuesday the 12th of August 2025, and this is for our 15:35.
Yes.
Southeastern service from Ramsgate to Central London via Ashford International.
Yeah, it says Ashford on RTT because it joins at Ashford with another train from Ramsgate.
Yeah, it's not even got the fucking joining advertised for it.
Nah.
This is a strange time of day. You can use either platform at Deal to go to London, but one takes half an hour longer. Figure that one out. Because your next one's the Dover, Faversham, Victoria.
Yes.
This one is your Ramsgate, Ashford, Charing Cross.
But when it comes from but when it gets to Faversham, it joins with another unit from Dover. So it's Dover and Dover to London, Victoria.
Yeah.
Right, let's walk in the middle of the road and see if the train's coming.
Car.
Yeah, a car on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah.
This SBX box is getting eczema.
That's a bad. It's all over this fucking prescription.
Southeastern service to London Charing Cross via Tunbridge, calling at Waltham, Martin Mill, Dover Priory, Folkestone Central, Folkestone West, Sandon, Westenham.
375923. And 904.
Southeastern service to London Charing Cross via Tunbridge.
Oh, I missed the amber light, so I'm going to have to be here for another 20 hours. Whilst the coppers are in the road.
Southeastern service to London Victoria.
Where is it calling out, please? Herne Bay, Chestfield and Swalcliffe, Selling and Faversham.
Time is just short of 15:38 to 15:40. Southeastern service from Dover Priory to London, Victoria.
Via Selling, according to Janine Cooper Marshall.
It is fucked. I mean, it's about to come through again, I think.
The train at platform 2 is the 1540 Southeastern service to London Victoria, calling at Sandwich, Minster, Thanet Parkway, Ramsgate, Dumpton Park, Broadstairs, Margate, Westgate-on-Sea, Birchington-on-Sea, Herne Bay, Chesterfield and Swalcliffe, Whitstable, Faversham, Selling, Faversham, Tenham, Sittingbourne, Newington, Raynham, Gillingham, Chatham, Rochester, Bromley South, and London Victoria. Platform 2 for the 1540 Southeastern service to London Victoria.
Calling it Whitstable, Faversham, Selling and Faversham.
Oh, what a pig's ear!
Is that on Darwin 18 or?
Yeah, Darwin 18. Not very clever, is it?
No, because apparently it's calling it which. I'm gonna have to clip that. Can't even see it. Yeah, it's in, and there's a -6 or 7.
Reminder box in action around skate. So they're doing anyway. At this point. The time is gone. Next train's already pretty much there. There's a hell of a lot of camping in the time though. It doesn't take 8 minutes to go from Sandwiches to Deal.
No. Especially,
Or at most.
especially when you're a pair of 20s.
Or anything else for that matter.
Someone's activated a safety alarm, which is monitoring your safety, especially when you get off a 12-car train.
Not even 12, it's 8 in it.
Hmm.
They might become a 12 later. It fancies it.
Right, it's 375628.
They would go to what?
Three 628 to London Victoria via Minster. Right, we go up at 15:41 and 40. Right, the time is 15:43. This is for the 15:47 Balfour Beatty service from Ashford Crane Depot to Ashford Crane Depot.
Okay.
Because it's here.
Here. What now? You.
That's... Another one who can't read a road sign. Mind you, it's not marked closed on Google Maps though.
No? Do it. Is it there yet?
got 2905 and 2901. '2905 and 2901 to Ashford.